Hi all, welcome to my channel Educate Yourself. My name is Chitresh Vora and in this video I will be giving you some information about the deal which has been announced by Facebook and Jio on 22nd of April. So as you all know that Facebook, which was founded by Mr. Mark Zuckerberg, has been famous for some biggest takeovers or acquisitions in the past, whether it's Instagram or WhatsApp. For say, Instagram was acquired by Facebook in 2012 and WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook in 2014. And currently Instagram has around 450 million users and WhatsApp has around 600 million of users. So now Facebook has joined hands with India's telecom giant Jio, which is owned by Mr. Mukesh Ambani and it's a wholly owned subsidiary of Reliance Industries Limited. So Jio has gained more than 350 million users within just 3 years of its inception in India. So the announcement which has been made is that Facebook will make an investment in 9.99% stake of Jio, which will amount to $5.7 billion US, equivalent to INR 43,574 crores in value. So I will be giving you some facts about this investment which has been made by Facebook in Jio. So this is the largest foreign direct investment in technology sector in India, and it is the world's largest investment for a minority stake by a technology company anywhere in the world. So minority stake means when an investor holds less than 50% of shares of another company. So now Facebook owns 9.99% of stake of that 50%. Further, this investment valued Jio platforms at INR 4.62 lakh crores, making it amongst top 5 listed companies in India by market capitalization. And as it's an all-cash deal, infusion of cash will help Reliance to achieve its plan of becoming debt-free status by 2021. An entire amount will be paid in a single go by Facebook, and out of which 15,000 crores will be retained by Jio itself, and the balance will be used to redeem optionally convertible preference shares investment of Reliance Industries Limited in Jio. So what are the possible reasons or opportunities of this investment for both the companies? So Reliance Jio earlier in their media release have mentioned highlighting a partnership to create opportunities for people and businesses. And today also on Twitter they have given 4 points mentioning key highlights of this announcement, in which the first point they have mentioned the amount of investment by Facebook. In second point they have said creating new opportunities for individuals and businesses. So also they added in their press release that their focus will be 60 million micro small merchants and businesses, 120 million farmers, 30 million small merchants. So they primarily want to provide an online platform to informal sector of India so that new opportunities can grow for new employments and new businesses in the process of India's 360-degree digital transformation. Also they have said that they have come in partnership of JioMart and WhatsApp to enable 3 crores kiranas of India to digitally transact through WhatsApp, so that they can explore new ways of business and the Indian people can get the faster services through this platform. And also they have mentioned in their 4 point to empower 120 million Kisans, 60 million SMEs, students, teachers, healthcare, women and youth through providing this digital platform. According to Economic Times, Reliance Industries Limited and Facebook may explore the possibility of creating a super app like WeChat by leveraging Jio's reach and WhatsApp ubiquity. Further, both the persons, founder of Facebook Mr. Mark Zuckerberg and Mukesh Ambani, have came up with the videos sharing their views, and also in the press release by Jio, Mr. Mukesh Ambani have said thanks to the Facebook for this long-term partnership, and further he added that the synergy between Jio and Facebook will help realize Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's Digital India mission with its two ambitious goals, ease of living and ease of doing business for every single category of Indian people without exception. Whereas Mark Zuckerberg has posted on his Facebook, he said thanks to Jio, and further he added that more than the investment, we are committing to work together on some major projects that will open up commerce opportunities for people across India. And he further said, India is home to largest communities on Facebook and WhatsApp, and Jio have played a big part in getting hundreds of millions of Indian people and small businesses online. He added, India has more than 60 million small businesses and millions of people rely on them for jobs. With communities around the world in lockdown, many of these entrepreneurs need digital tools they can rely on to find and communicate with customers and grow their businesses. He said, this is something we can help with, and that's why we are partnering with Jio to help people and businesses in India create new opportunities. So it is clearly evident that both the companies are focusing towards wider reach and creating a digital platform for creating new employment opportunities and business opportunities, thereby enabling India digitally overall. And also with this investment of Facebook in Jio, Mukesh Ambani has again become Asia's richest person. So this was all about the investment of Facebook in Jio as a recent announcement. However, this deal will be subject to regulatory authorities such as Competition Commission of India so that they can check various aspects before passing this deal. I hope you have liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos.